Today, we are reviewing the Advanced Baby Carrier Strap, a multifunctional, ergonomic, and stylish baby carrier that's perfect for busy parents on the go. If you're looking for a baby carrier that combines comfort, safety, and versatility, then you're in the right place. This carrier is designed to adapt to your baby's growth from newborn to toddler, making it an ideal investment for parents who want one solution for all their baby carrying needs. So, let's dive into the details and see why the Advanced Baby Carrier Strap is the ultimate choice for you and your baby. The first thing you'll notice about this baby carrier is its high-quality design. Made from strong, durable cotton, this carrier is built to last. It's not only super comfortable for your baby but also machine washable, making it easy to keep clean after all your adventures. No need to worry about spills, drool, or messes, just toss it in the wash, and it's ready to go again. One of the standout features of the Advanced Baby Carrier Strap is its built-in lumbar support. This ergonomic design helps distribute your baby's weight evenly across your hips and lower back, reducing strain and allowing you to carry your baby comfortably for longer periods. If you've ever experienced back pain from other carriers, you'll love how this one feels. It's designed with parents in mind, making it easier than ever to carry your baby without the discomfort. But that's not all. This carrier is also fully convertible and adjustable. With its versatile design, you can easily switch between facing in and facing out positions, so your baby can explore the world around them or snuggle up close to you. The adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit for both moms and dads, and it's super easy to adjust, even on the go. No more struggling with complicated buckles or uncomfortable straps. This carrier adapts to your needs, making it a great choice for families of all shapes and sizes. One of the best things about the Advanced Baby Carrier Strap is its multifunctional use. Not only does it work as a standard baby carrier, but it also features a built-in lumbar stool, which helps support your baby's weight even better. This stool adds extra comfort for your baby, giving them a cozy place to sit while you carry them. Whether you're out for a quick walk or a long day of errands, this carrier has you covered. Plus, it's not just for carrying your baby. The multifunctional design means you can use it as a small backpack, perfect for carrying your essentials like diapers, wipes, or even your phone and keys. It's like having a mini diaper bag built right into your baby carrier, making it super convenient for busy parents on the go. When it comes to color options, the Advanced Baby Carrier Strap has something for everyone. You can choose from stylish colors like green, gray, and pink, so you can find the perfect look that matches your style. And with a maximum weight capacity of 30 kilograms, this carrier is built to last through all stages of your baby's growth. From newborn cuddles to toddler adventures, it's the only carrier you'll need. The Advanced Baby Carrier Strap is also perfect for travel. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to pack, so you can take it anywhere. Whether you're going on a family vacation, hiking, or just heading out for a day at the park, this carrier makes it easy to bring your baby along without the hassle. And because it's machine washable, you don't have to worry about it getting dirty while you're on the go. Just wash it when you get home, and it's as good as new. Safety is always a top priority, and this carrier doesn't disappoint. It's designed with secure buckles and straps to keep your baby safe and snug at all times. The adjustable design ensures that your baby is always supported in the right way, helping to prevent any discomfort or strain. And because it's made from breathable, soft materials, your baby will stay cool and comfortable, even on warmer days. Another great feature of the Advanced Baby Carrier Strap is how it promotes bonding with your baby. By keeping your little one close, you can create those precious moments of connection that are so important during the early years. Whether you're breastfeeding, soothing your baby, or just enjoying a walk, this carrier helps keep your baby close, calm, and happy. So, who is this carrier perfect for? If you're a busy parent who wants a comfortable, stylish, and versatile baby carrier, then this is the one for you. It's great for moms and dads, grandparents, and caregivers who need a reliable way to carry their baby while keeping their hands free. And because it's so adjustable, it's perfect for parents of all shapes and sizes. In summary, the Advanced Baby Carrier Strap is the perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and style. It's designed to make your life as a parent easier, whether you're running errands, traveling, or just spending time with your little one. With its ergonomic design, adjustable straps, built-in lumbar support, and multifunctional use, it's the only carrier you'll ever need. Don't miss out on this amazing parenting tool. Invest in the advanced baby carrier strap today and enjoy the freedom and comfort it brings. Keep your baby close, safe, and happy, while giving yourself the support you need. To buy the advanced baby carrier strap, click the link in the bio. Thank you for watching, and happy parenting.